welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to create the perfect picture for a book cover, a presentation, or just a piece of artwork for your house or office? Well, now you can, thanks to Copilot by Microsoft. Whether you're an author, a presenter looking for engaging visuals, someone on the hunt for a unique artwork, or someone who loves creating pictures, this video is for you. So let's dive in and explore how you can create stunning pictures with Copilot. First things first, what is Copilot? Copilot is an AI-powered tool integrated into Microsoft 365 applications that helps you to create and design with ease. From generating text to designing images, Copilot can do it all. In today's video, we'll focus on how to create amazing pictures using this powerful tool. To get started, you'll need access to a Microsoft 365 account with Copilot enabled. You'll open up the application and you'll jump right into the picture creation process. Or you can do what I do. I just Google Copilot, and from there I put in my Microsoft 365 information and I'm able to jump right into the picture creation process. Once you're in, you'll locate the Copilot icon to make sure that you're in the right place. It's usually found in the toolbar. From there, you'll click on it to open the Copilot interface. You'll see various options here. Next, you'll click on Designer, and this is really where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to enter a description of the image that you want to create. The more detail you provide, the better Copilot can generate an image that matches your vision. For example, let's say you want to create a picture of a farmhouse. You'll type that in and let Copilot work its magic. Copilot will process your description and, in just a few moments, present you with a beautifully crafted image. You can tweak the description and regenerate the image if you need any further adjustments. Once you're happy with the image, you can download it, or you can directly use it in your documents, or you can even save it for later. It's that simple, and it's completely up to you once you have the image that you like. So let's look at some other cases. Maybe you are an author in need of a book cover. You can describe your book theme and let Copilot generate several options for you. Or if you're preparing for a presentation, you can create custom visuals that perfectly complement your slides. If you're a student in class looking up things for a research paper, especially one that's based on fiction, you can use Copilot. Or if you need something just for your house and you can't find it anywhere else, you can use Copilot to generate those images for you. The possibilities are endless with Copilot. It's not just about creating pictures, it's about bringing your ideas to life with ease as well as precision. And this is particularly important for people who can't usually find what they're looking for when they go out looking for art, or if you're trying to create something that nobody else has possibly even imagined outside of yourself. So whether you're working on your next big project or just exploring your creativity, Copilot by Microsoft is a game changer. So give it a try and see how it can transform your work. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video to be helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Happy creating! And see you all in the next video. Peace.